guys, welcome back to Burke Boys Wilderness. Today we're at Itchituttony Spring State Park. We're floating down the river. It's Father's Day. Say hi, Dad. That's Mr. B. But we'll be there soon. Oh, wow. 3, 2. I don't have goggles. Yes. Thank you. I need to be floating to put these on. So, oh, it's nice and sunny. She can't even touch the bottom. Owen, she can't even touch the bottom. I'm not used to the cold. Top half is lit. Oh, stop this for a second. Get still. Yeah, stand still. Big crawfish, bro. That is. Bats would eat this. Can't believe that's. There's a fish by it too. I bet I could catch a live one.
hiking to the Blue Hole, which is one of the springs that feeds the Itchitucknee River. We're going to try to get some cool underwater videos of the caves, and we'll see y'all when we get there.
You want it? You want it? Better hurry up and go then. Wait, Dad, did you just get out right here? No. Oh. It looks so cool. Oh, you scared me. Here's the hole right here. Bro, imagine someone was cave diving and they just cave down all crazy.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. Soon we're going to be up in North Carolina, and we're going to be doing some trout fishing and hiking and stuff like that.
Yeah.
See you in the next one.